Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to your Shopify store. This integration allows your customers to pay securely and conveniently. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Then, locate and click on the Settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner. From there, you will proceed to the Payments section to begin the settings. Once in the Payments section, scroll down to find the PayPal module. Here, you will select PayPal Express Checkout from the available options. Click the Activate button, which will redirect you to PayPal's website. This step is crucial for securely linking your PayPal business account with your Shopify store, ensuring smooth transactions. The mobile version of Subnautica comes with several enhancements tailored for handheld play. It features an exclusive mobile user interface, making navigation and crafting straightforward on smaller screens. You can choose between responsive touch controls or connect a compatible MFI controller for a more traditional gaming feel. Additionally, Cloud Save functionality lets you seamlessly transfer your game progress between your iOS or Android devices, ensuring your adventure continues wherever you go. With PayPal now connected, it is essential to test the integration. Place a small test order on your own store, proceeding through the checkout process. Ensure that PayPal appears as a payment option and that the transaction processes correctly. This step helps confirm everything is working as expected before your customers start making purchases, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.